Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use the recommend promotion action. This is where you tie a promotion and the content together within the commerce system. So before I begin, make sure you follow me. I'm a blogger at blog.bells.net. You can contact me on Twitter, LinkedIn, and of course my YouTube channel where this video is posted. So what are you going to see in this demonstration? Well, we have a new business requirement to show the promotion page when an advertisement is clicked. It's on the landing page for women's dresses. So we're going to go ahead and get into the Webster Commerce tooling, which is the management center for the business users, and get going. So let's get started. So we're going to start by coming into the Management Center tooling, and what we want to do is we're going to use the site preview to figure out where in the storefront we need to modify that advertisement. So it was on the landing page for women dresses, and if we scroll down we can see this is the ad that they want to modify, so when they click on it, it actually goes to the promotion page to explain what the promotion is all about. So let's go ahead and show e-marketing spots. We could see, there you go, search landing page ad. So that's the spot that we're going to be modifying. So let's go back into eSpots, and I can actually search for that very quickly. That's the eSpot. So now we're going to look at the web activity here that we just searched for, and we don't need to see a recommendation, so or a video. So here we go. So there it is. So we're just simply showing a recommendation for this advertisement. Let's see here, preview, allow the pop-ups. Let me try it again. Yep, and that's the advertisement that we saw. So we're going to remember this search landing dress sale. We're going to go ahead and disable this. And I'm actually going to delete this. And what we want to do is we want to recommend a promotion. So this action actually ties together a promotion and the content together. And we're going to get more into that a little bit later. So let's see, we're going to search 15% off. Star. There you go, 15% off women's dresses. I'm going to put that in there. And then for the content, I'm going to use the same content, but we're going to have to modify it. So if I type in the same search star, it'll search for it. Search landing dress sale. There you go. Now you immediately see an error at the top. The content specified must have a promotion-related click action. So we could just come in here and we're going to give it a click action now. And we're going to say predefined click action for a promotion, and then it's going to go and show the discount details display view with the promotion code. So now we have the promotion and we have the content. So this is where we can tie the visual content with the back-end financials part of the promotion and have them tied together on the site. So if I come and save it, and then I'm going to enable this, and if I go and do the site preview now, I'm going to hide these details, women dresses, and now when we see the ad, you can see that we can click on it and it shows the promotion details, July 1st through September 1st only. Now the great thing about this particular action, recommend promotion, is it only shows the visual content if the promotion is valid, whether it's for this particular segment, whether it's enabled, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm actually going to deactivate the promotion. And then I'm going to go ahead and look at the site again. And if we go back into site preview and type in women dresses, you'll notice now that the graphic is simply gone. And what we can do is we can click show marketing spots in site preview and say, hey, why isn't this showing? Well, here it is. So we're going to perform the action recommend promotion, the action return to data, value, search landing dress sale. Content search landing dress sale has been removed because the promotion 15% off women's dresses is not active. So this would be a similar error if the promotion had expired. So this is a great way to keep your visual content on the site in line with the underlying promotion financials. And what I mean by that is if, you know, like I said, the customer is eligible, the promotion is within the window of it being enabled, as an example. So very cool way to tie your visual content in with an actual promotion. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.